Why do car batteries often fail prematurely, even new ones, and could your alternator be the silent culprit? Many drivers assume a dead battery is merely an aged component reaching its end. However, the sophisticated interplay between a vehicle's charging system and its battery often conceals a more complex engineering problem. A failing alternator, while seemingly functional, can systematically degrade battery health, leading to unexpected failures and costly replacements. The alternator's primary function is to convert mechanical energy from the engine into electrical energy. It accomplishes this using a spinning rotor, stator windings, and a rectifier assembly. This conversion produces alternating current, which the rectifier then transforms into direct current to power the vehicle's electrical systems and recharge the 12-volt battery. Its output is regulated to maintain a stable voltage, typically between 13.5 and 14.5 volts, crucial for optimal system operation. Conversely, the automotive battery serves as a crucial energy reservoir. Its primary role is to provide the high current required to start the engine, a transient but demanding load. Once the engine is running, the battery acts as a voltage stabilizer, smoothing out electrical spikes and dips while the alternator handles the continuous power demands. It is designed for specific charge and discharge cycles, and deviation from these parameters impacts its longevity. In an ideally functioning system, the alternator maintains the battery at or near a full state of charge, typically between 12.6 and 12.8 volts when the engine is off and fully charged. It ensures the battery can consistently deliver its starting current without excessive strain and remains ready for subsequent engine starts. This symbiotic relationship is critical for reliable vehicle operation. One of the most insidious ways an alternator can compromise battery life is through chronic undercharging. This occurs when the alternator's output voltage or current is insufficient to fully replenish the battery after engine starts, or meet the vehicle's electrical load demands. A failing voltage regulator, worn brushes, or a damaged rectifier can all lead to this condition. When a battery remains undercharged, lead sulfate crystals accumulate on the plates, a process known as sulfation. These crystals reduce the battery's capacity to accept and store charge, essentially hardening its internal structure and limiting its ability to release energy. Conversely, an alternator can also destroy a battery by overcharging it. This usually results from a faulty voltage regulator that fails to limit the charging voltage. When the battery is subjected to excessive voltage, typically above 14.8 volts, the electrolyte within the battery cells begins to boil off. This process, termed gassing, leads to a loss of electrolyte and exposes the battery plates to air, causing rapid corrosion. The internal heat generated also accelerates the breakdown of the battery's active materials, leading to plate shedding and irreversible capacity loss. Internal alternator components are susceptible to specific failure modes that directly impact charging performance. Rectifier diodes can fail open or short, leading to AC ripple in the DC output, which is detrimental to battery health and sensitive electronics. Worn carbon brushes can lose contact with the slip rings, resulting in intermittent or no charge. Stator and rotor winding shorts or opens decrease the magnetic field strength, directly reducing the alternator's maximum current output. Each of these failures reduces the alternator's ability to maintain the battery's health. Beyond the alternator's internal components, external factors can also contribute to battery degradation. Loose or worn serpentine belts reduce the alternator's rotational speed, diminishing its output. Corroded or high-resistance wiring in the charging circuit can create a voltage drop, preventing the battery from receiving its full charge. Furthermore, parasitic draws, where components draw current when the vehicle is off, can repeatedly discharge the battery, forcing the alternator to work harder and longer to recharge it, exacerbating any existing charging system deficiencies. The mechanism by which an alternator kills a battery is primarily through accelerating its natural aging processes. Undercharging promotes sulfation, which physically obstructs the electrochemical reactions required for charge and discharge. Overcharging, on the other hand, causes electrolyte loss and internal corrosion, physically destroying the battery's plates and separators. Both conditions lead to a significant reduction in the battery's cranking amps and reserve capacity, fundamentally shortening its operational life far beyond its intended design cycle. Accurate diagnostic techniques are paramount to identifying the true cause of battery issues. A multimeter can measure battery voltage when the engine is off and running, providing initial clues about charging system health. However, a comprehensive diagnosis requires specialized tools. A battery load tester assesses the battery's ability to deliver current under simulated starting conditions. An alternator ripple test, performed with an oscilloscope, detects faulty rectifier diodes by analyzing the AC component in the DC output. These advanced tests distinguish between a genuinely failing battery and one suffering from an underlying charging system malfunction. A common misdiagnosis involves repeatedly replacing a seemingly dead battery when the root cause lies within the charging system. Symptoms such as dimming lights, slow cranking, or a persistent battery warning light are often attributed solely to the battery. Without proper diagnostic verification, a new battery is installed, only to fail prematurely again because the underlying undercharging or overcharging condition persists, trapping the owner in a cycle of expensive and unnecessary replacements. Preventive maintenance plays a critical role in extending both alternator and battery life. Regularly inspecting the serpentine belt for cracks or proper tension ensures the alternator operates efficiently. Cleaning battery terminals prevents resistance buildup in the charging circuit. Monitoring the battery's voltage periodically provides an early warning sign of potential charging issues. Understanding the subtle indicators of a struggling charging system, such as inconsistent light intensity or slow accessory operation, allows for intervention before significant damage occurs. When a charging system component fails, the engineering solution often involves replacement rather than repair, particularly for alternators, due to the complexity of internal components and the specialized tools required for rebuilding. Quality replacement alternators ensure adherence to original equipment specifications for voltage regulation and current output. For batteries, selecting the correct type and capacity for the vehicle's electrical demands is crucial, ensuring it can withstand the charge and discharge cycles optimally managed by a properly functioning alternator. If your vehicle has experienced repeated battery failures, investigate your charging system thoroughly. Consider having your alternator and battery professionally tested to identify any underlying issues.